I have thyroid issues to include Hashimoto's disease, and have had other flare-ups of similar, or not similar, but other autoimmune diseases. And so I had concerns that current medicines really were not helping me in the long run to prevent other flare-ups and other autoimmune diseases, as well as just reducing my overall Hashimoto's concerns. So I started into the program with my husband. I definitely recommend having your life partner, whoever goes through it with you, at the same time. And we both stuck with the program very much so through the detox, and which was a challenge, but was so worth it. And then through the next phases, as I went along, I could just start to feel, even coming off of caffeine, how much more energy I had, and how much I didn't have to depend on caffeine of any sort to kind of get me through the day. My energy levels improved, and I just watched over this whole time my numbers go down as far as indicators for autoimmune diseases with thyroid, and just other tendencies towards those things. Vitamin D wasn't a problem for me, and those numbers with assistance, and guidance really has come through. And I'll just say, Jimmy can explain things in a way that makes it relevant to you and makes you understand